We start with console input-output functions. So the screen and keyboard, they are together known as the console. This is the console. And these functions are further classified into two categories, which is the formatted and unformatted console input-output applications or functions. So what is the difference between the formatted and unformatted? You want to print certain values and you want to print certain values in certain order so that they must look arranged, formatted. If you don't want, then it is okay. You want something or some numbers to be, or specific number to come after decimal points. This is the formatting. I'll show you how it is done. First of all, let us know console input-output functions. So they are formatted functions and unformatted functions. These formatted functions, the type is the character, the integer, the float and string. In the unformatted functions, we have character, integer, float and string. In the formatted function, in this character, we have scanf and printf for output. Scanf, printf, scanf, printf, scanf, printf. This is for formatted functions. For unformatted functions, for character, we have get ch, che and get char. For output, we have put ch and put char. We don't have anything for int, float, but for strings, we have get as and put as.